Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can crop on Canva. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Canva application. Once you do that, you'll be brought up with the home page of Canva. Now in the screen you can see the plus icon right there on the lower side. Go ahead and tap on that plus icon. Now here you can see the formation or the suggestion is given right here on the screen. You can select any of those. Here I have selected this Instagram stories. Now here is the format. Just select any format of your choice. So now you'll have to choose the image. So right there is written camera roll. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you do that, go ahead and select any picture of your choice. For instance, I want to crop this image. Now here on the downside you can see many more options. Swipe it to the right side and there you can see the option called crop. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can crop the picture of your choice. You can just crop it to the size that you like. So yeah, this is how easily you can crop an image on Canva. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.